Today I'm going to be making Nutella-filled cookies. First, scoop Nutella onto a tray lined with baking parchment. I put about 2 teaspoons worth of Nutella here and make around 10 to 12 of them. Put it in the freezer for at least an hour. Melt 150 grams of butter and leave it to cool. Mix 125 grams of Demerara sugar and 100 grams of caster sugar into the butter. Then put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix again. In a separate bowl, crack 1 egg plus the yolk from another egg and beat. Then add in the butter sugar mixture to it and mix till well combined. Fold in 300 grams of plain flour and half teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda until just blended. Prepare 100 grams of hazelnuts and roughly chop it in the food processor, then put it aside. Now scoop the cookie dough onto a prepared baking parchment. To make the cookies even, I use a 1/4 cup measurement. Flatten the dough, put the frozen Nutella in the center, and cover the Nutella in dough. onto the chopped hazelnuts. Put in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius and bake for 17 to 20 minutes. Let it cool on the baking tray before transferring it to a wire rack. And that's it, Nutella-filled cookies ready. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.